Welcome back to Acrylic Arts Academy. Today, we're diving into a fun, spooky project, an orange Halloween painting. You'll love how easy it is to create this eerie scene, perfect for the Halloween season. Grab your paints, brushes, and let's get started. For this project, you'll need acrylic paints in orange, yellow, black, and white. You will also need medium and fine brushes, a black marker for outlines and silhouettes, and a pencil for sketching. If you'd like, you can use a canvas or thick paper, a palette for mixing paint, and water for cleaning your brushes. Step 1. Sketch the layout. We'll start with the background. Using your medium brush, apply an even layer of orange acrylic paint across the entire canvas. This will be the sky. Next, let's bring in the moon. Use yellow acrylic paint to carefully fill in the space for the moon. Make sure the circle is clean and even. To give the moon a soft glowing effect, mix a little white paint into your yellow and blend it around the edges of the moon. Use smooth strokes to create a subtle outer glow that fades into the orange sky. Take your time and have fun with it. Pause the video here if you'd like more time to work and come back when you're ready. Apply this color around the edges as shown here, to create a delicate sense of light glowing. Take your time to blend the highlight color smoothly. The highlight will look slight but believable. Now it's time to make things spooky with some black silhouettes. First, let's paint the twisted tree on the right side of the canvas. Follow our lead by using a paint marker or black paint and a liner brush to create a thick tree trunk that's bumpy and textured. There is no pressure to draw your tree exactly as shown here. Try to add a thick trunk and curled gnarled branches as a basic outline. Use your black paint or marker to create long, gnarled branches reaching into the sky. Once you have created the outline, fill the tree in with black paint or your marker. It's okay to pause the video here if you need more time to work. Just come back when you're ready. Use a detailer brush and black paint to add small pieces of grass sticking up from the foreground. Use light flicking motions to add easy blades of grass in varying heights. Next, add a small black owl sitting on one of the branches, and give it glowing yellow eyes for that extra eerie touch. If this feels confusing, copy what you see on the screen, creating a round body and 2 points on the head. The owl doesn't need to be very detailed to look cute. Don't forget the bats. Paint several flying across the moon. For the final details, feel free to add more small birds or bats in the background to create depth. Then, add a cross in the graveyard, along with a fence and some spiky grass along the bottom of your scene. And of course, it wouldn't be Halloween without a jack-o'-lantern. Paint a pumpkin silhouette on the left side of the canvas, complete with a carved face. Use a fine brush or your black marker to sharpen the edges of your silhouettes, giving your painting a crisp, finished look. Once your painting is complete, allow it to dry fully before you frame or display it. If you enjoyed this Halloween-themed painting, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun tutorials. And if you're looking for more creative inspiration, be sure to check out our book, Relax and Paint, 100 Inspiring Acrylic Prompts for Stress-Free Creativity, as well as our other books, available at acrylicartsacademy.com/books. You'll find everything you need to spark your creativity and keep painting all year round. Thanks for joining us today, and happy painting!